Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today we are here on the chapter fractions, and today we are doing a very important topic, that is equivalent fractions. For this, I am going to show you one activity with the help of fraction one only. Okay? So you will observe it carefully, and if you know the answer, you will speak that answer. Okay? Answer everybody will speak together. Okay? No. Now suppose I am having a square. Okay? Now in this square, I am dividing this square into equal parts. Fine. I am dividing this square into two equal parts. So suppose if you will divide this in two equal parts, I hope this will come. Okay? Can you tell me what fraction can you represent? 1 by 2. Out of two portions, you have taken one portion, so it is calling as 1 by 2. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay. Now this same square, now this same square, I am dividing into four equal parts. Is it fine now? Four equal parts. Now out of four, I am shading two parts. Now you can see two parts are shaded. 2 by 4. Clear? Now I am dividing the same square in 8 equal parts. Clear? Parts are 8. Okay? Now out of 8, I am taking 4 parts out of it. 4 by 8. Now can you tell me, if you observe it nicely, you will see that I took either 2 parts from that full square part, or if I take out of 4 parts, if I take 2 parts, or out of 8 parts, if I take 4 parts, everything is showing the same portion. Are the portion changed? जितना शेड था उतना ही शेड है, मैंने शेडिंग चेंज नहीं करी. चेंज की क्या? नहीं की. Remember, these fractions are only known as equivalent fractions. Clear or not? Clear? And remember, whenever you have equivalent fractions, and when you have equivalent fraction, and when you make it simplest by using the fraction form, you get always the same answer. How? Look at here. It's 1 by 2. You cannot cancel it. But 2 by 4, can you cancel it? Which table? 2 only. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. You got 1 by 2 from second number also. Let's try for the third number. Can you cut it? Which table? 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Again 1 by 2 only. It means you are getting 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And all are equal. That means they are equivalent fractions. Now tell me, is it clear or not? Now students, on the board you can see there are 5 fractions. Can you see 5 fractions? 1 by 3, 5 by 15, 3 by 9, 4 by 12, 6 by 18. All the fractions are different. Okay? Now suppose the question comes, you have so many fractions and you have to check that whether they are equivalent or not. Simple step in your mind. Just make it simplest. If you are getting all values as same, that means they are equivalent. If they are not having the same value, they are not having the same value, that means they are not the equivalent fraction. Nobody will use pen and pencil paper anywhere. Only attention on the board. ठीक है? जो करेंगे आप साथ में करेंगे. ठीक है? चलो. 1 by 3, can we cancel? No. 5 by 15, can we cancel? Okay. Which table? 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Got 1 by 3. Move on to this. Can we cancel? Yes. Which table? Absolutely. 1 by 3 again. 4 by 12. Can we cancel? Table 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. Again 1 by 3. Now 6 ones are 6. 6 threes are 18. Now look at here. Earlier, all the fractions were different denominator, different numerator as well. But when we solved, we got the same answer for all, that was 1 by 3. It means, are they equivalent? Yes, they are equivalent. Now understood or not? Yes. Fine. Now write it down on your copy that check the fractions whether they are equivalent or not. Exercise 7.2. Sorry, 7.3. We'll do better. Question number 1 and question number 2 will be done by you. Question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 7.3 will be done by you. Okay? 7.3, question number 1 and question number 2 are related to the diagram just now which I was explaining on the board. Okay? So you will be doing by your own. Question number 3 we are doing now. Yes, now. Now question number 3 is related to replacing the box from exercise 7.3. This question will be going in book. Copy. Okay? Now remember, question number first is telling here 2 by 7 equal to 8 by box. What is the sign here? Equal to. Now remember always, equal to का मतलब ये हुआ कि both are equivalent fractions. ठीक है? These two are also equivalent. These two are also equivalent, and these two are also equivalent. Now what you need to do is, equivalent fraction में क्या होता है बेटा? You have the same number to get multiply and the same number to get divided also. Now look at here how. Can you tell me 2 से अगर हमको 8 चाहिए तो what to multiply? 4. If you will multiply 4 on the top, you will multiply 4 at the bottom also. ठीक है? 7 4s, what you will get it? So here the box will be 28. ठीक है? Now understand second question. 5 6 10 कैसे आया होगा? By multiplying 2. So 8 में भी 2 multiply करना पड़ेगा बेटा. What should be the answer? 16. Finish. Okay. Now this question has a very large table. ठीक है? तो हम इस क्वेश्चन को ऑपोजिट वे में करते हैं. ऑपोजिट वे में लाइक फ्रॉम दिस साइड. ठीक है? फ्रॉम दिस साइड. 15 की टेबल में 45 कैसे आता है? 3 टाइम्स. तो किस नंबर से हम 3 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आएगा 20. सी 15 3s are 45, 20 3s are 60. Clear now? Again look at here. 15 3s are 45, 20 3s are 60. Now you have to think a number. ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिसमें हम 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करें तो हमको आंसर मिले 60. इसके लिए आपको बेटा टेबल आनी चाहिए. जब तक टेबल नहीं आएगी ये क्वेश्चन आपसे नहीं बनेगा. अब आप इसको खुद से सोचिए और मुझे बताइए 4 से 74 कैसे आया? बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग 6. सो ऐसे किस नंबर में हम 6 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि 18 आए? 3. सो द आंसर वुड बी 3. फिनिश. गॉट इट? Now look at here the next question. Find 5 equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Now always remember this type of question is not there in your NCERT. This question I am giving from RS Agrawal. आपको कोई भी फ्रैक्शन दिया हो और आपको उसके इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन निकालने हो. रिमेंबर यू कैन फाइंड इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन फ्रॉम वन फ्रैक्शन. ठीक है? प्रोसेस विल बी वेरी इजी. एक चीज हमेशा अपने दिमाग में रखिए कि हम किसी भी नंबर को न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं और डिवाइड भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जो भी नंबर आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हो वो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में होना चाहिए, ठीक है। सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड, द नंबर इज 3/5, हमें कितने फ्रैक्शन चाहिए है 5, सो 3 वी आर राइटिंग 3/5 5 times because we want 5 fractions, ठीक है। Now other than 1, multiply 2, multiply 3, multiply 4, multiply 5, आप कुछ भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, whatever is your wish, ठीक है। I am taking starting from 2. Why I am not taking 1? Can you tell me? Same number will come, because same number will come. Yes. So multiplying 2, multiplying 3, multiplying 4, multiplying 6 here, multiplying 5 here. Now in place of this you can multiply any number what you want, ठीक है, but top and bottom the same number should come, ठीक है। Look at here, 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 3 6s are 18, 5 6s are 30. So our answer is 6/10, 9/15, 12/20, 15/25, 18/30. Remember, these all the fraction when you will make it simplified, you will get 3/5 only. कैसे करके देखिए एक बार। See, 6/10 को can we cancel? Yes, ma'am. Which number? 2. Are 3/5? Let's take 18/30. Can we cancel? Which number? 6 3s are 18, 6 5s are 30. Again 3/5. So any number you take, the answer will come 3/5 only, because all the numbers are coming from 3/5 only.